Welcome back, guys. Pedro here with another video. Just want to welcome you guys to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
You got it, dude.
My name is Pedro and I do Forex trading, but also I just want to welcome you guys to the community, welcome you guys to the family. I do have my Blessed Traders Academy. It is absolutely free to join, guys, but I've created that group mainly focused on people that are looking to learn. So if you're a beginner, you're looking to take your experience, to gain more experience, and take your trading to another level, you've come to the right place. I've been doing this for more than 6 years now, and so this is my focus. I really enjoy doing it, and I'm not perfect by any means, but I do create these videos and I hope they are helpful. So if you do guys find these videos helpful, feel free to comment below, that way I know. But wanted to show you guys quickly at gold and kind of what I'm looking at. It's so crystal clear, and the more that you look at the charts, the more you start understanding it as a language, guys, and I want you guys to understand that. I always like to look at the bigger time frames, that way we understand the overall direction. So remember that, guys, you always want to look at the bigger picture, zoom out when in doubt, and that way you guys can get a good idea as to where the overall direction of the market is going. So what am I looking at here? Clearly we can see that price did push up to the upside. We also saw kind of this trend. We can see this upwards trend here, and we can see that price touch down here as well as over here at this bottom here, and price also failed to reach another high. So you can see that price was going to continue going higher. It touched this key level over here and then it failed. So what we want to see, or what we're expecting price to do now, is to continue to the downside. We can see that price failed to continue to the upwards momentum. Price broke this high level, and then we could see that price could potentially come to this key level and retest. We can also see another support formed here, and we can aim this as a target level for price to come back up and retest. So we saw that price broke this upwards trend. So that's one of the biggest indications to me that gold is going to continue to the downside. We can see that price was creating this trend line, broke it, came down with a strong momentum, and then it's now pulling back up to this key level. So we can expect price to go back up in the short term, could be going back up within the next few days, potentially reject this key level, and a strong continuation to the downside. Usually when this happens, this is like a triangle wedge formation. So what this target usually is the end, so the bottom over here. So that's where price could potentially come down to, and we can kind of set our targets to this key level over here for gold. So as you can see, based off of just literally looking at the 4-hour chart, I've already kind of dictated potentially where price could go. And again, obviously, trading is all about probabilities. There's no guarantee, but we understand kind of what the market's trying to tell us, right? So it's all about looking at the opportunities and profiting from those opportunities and taking advantage of those opportunities so that we can make some money. So that is the 4-hour. Obviously, if we go down to the 1 hour or the 30-minute, we can kind of get a closer look. We can start analyzing what the candles are telling us. And as of right now, obviously, price is kind of indicating to me for sure that it's just going to come up to this level over here, like I mentioned earlier, and then it's going to reject this key level over here, most likely. If we do see that rejection here, and again, we're on the 30-minute, let's go back to the 4-hour. If we do see price reject this key level over here, we can definitely start looking for sells, guys, and look at this area here. We've got lots of area that price could move down, and we're talking about, let's take a look and see how many potential. So we're talking about 30 pips, so it's not too much, but give me 1 sec here. No, sorry, we're talking about almost 300 pips. Sorry, my mistake. I had a little brain fart there. So yeah, we're talking about 300 pips. So that's a huge potential to get into some trades here, guys. So wanted to show you quickly gold and kind of how to look at the overall picture and analyze the markets, guys. So as you can see, it's very simplified. There's no reasoning to overcomplicate things. We can see that price was going on an uptrend. Price broke that previous low, failed to go higher, and so that indicated to me that price is weakening and that gold is going to be we're going to be looking for sell. So if you guys found this video informative, guys, love to hear from you guys. If you have any questions or you enjoyed watching this video, feel free to comment below. I always watch all the comments, and thank you so much, guys, and I will catch you until next time.